What's up, Tigress? She just jumped up on me. So I thought I'd get out the phone. Yo, everybody. Yeah. Tigress, she hangs out with me. She's like a parrot. She loves me, this pussy mama. I love you too. Sleep in my bed every night. Yeah. Mm-hmm. You're such a good girl. What's up, Simba? Sleeps at the foot of my bed every night. Boogie boo. And after he comes and licks my neck for a half an hour. You shedding? Oh yeah, you're shedding, Simba. I'm combing you every day, bro. He's shedding his winter coat. Tell Mama Pussycat. This is Simba's mother right here on my shoulder. Let me turn that television down. Well, I feel good. We've had some really great rehearsals. The team is so good around us, and I feel really supported, and I feel like we're going to be... What's up? Where you going? You getting off now? Okay. Yeah? How you staying? Oh, she's off. You go, Tigress. Pussycat Mama. She wants to go in the window or up here now. All right.